Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to put the smartphone holder on the new Dacia Bigster. This is the new SUV from Dacia, and yeah, let's jump inside. Here we are greeted with the lovely graphics on the digital cockpit and the main touchscreen. And let me just turn on the car as it's pretty hot outside. And now what we will do is put the smartphone holder here on the dashboard. So here you see the U-clip, which is the smart system from Dacia, which allows you to then attach accessories. So you see how this looks. You need to push this in order to get the space here. And now we will do it. So there we go. Now it clicked and it is in its place. You can also move it like this, and also for removing it, just click it and that's it. It goes away. You can put it in your glove compartment. So very nice and easy solution. And let me do it again with two hands, which is also easier. There we go. Now it clicked and it's in its place, and now it's back in my hand, and we can store it here. And yeah, if you don't use it, you can have it there. But it's definitely a very useful feature. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe. There are plenty of videos of the new Dacia Bigster on my channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.